Tonight, the elementary school in Goodman took a direct hit from that tornado. It left the walls of the school crumbled. 4029's Brett Rains is joining us there now live for a look at what's left behind. Brett?
Yeah, guys, just take a look at this. Bits of metal, lots of roof. In fact, check this out. Right now, I'm standing on part of the Goodman Elementary School roof, and that's because the tornado ripped it up. Now, many people here tell me that this school they considered it the heart of their community.
This is my school, this is my heart.
The principal says the school has been in this community for more than 100 years, but now it's destroyed. Today, teachers gathered whatever they could save from their classrooms. The school serves close to 320 students, grades kindergarten through 4th.
It's beyond heartbreaking. This is the core and center of the community here in Goodman, and the emails and posts and hugs down the street I'm getting from the kids is just ripping my heart out. They want to know where we're going to be and what we're going to be doing.
The tornado hit at night, so no students were here, but there was a janitor inside working. You can see what the tornado did to his truck, but the janitor was safe inside the school.
Oddly enough, his name is Lucky, and lucky he was, blessed, watched over, whatever you want to call it. He was very much safe.
And now school administrators are trying to keep the students at this school with their original classes and with their teachers. Obviously, they can't attend class at this school, so school administrators are planning to hold classes on Monday at other nearby schools in nearby school districts. Live in Goodman, Brett Rains, 4029 News.